August is a quiet period normally. That means I'm not going out on school visits, and this year I haven't been to any of the festivals either. And that means I'm working on something new. I was quite excited until about last week. I was working on something completely new, and I just finished it. That's fantastic. And then I'm now thinking about the next thing that I want to write. But in between, I do have other things to do, which is I have a new series coming out next year with Walker Books, and I am editing the series now. I've written both of them, so I'm editing them now. But I also have a little bit of other tasks to do in terms of thinking up ideas. This is the quiet time when I plan my year out and think about what is coming the rest of the year, and what I want to write, what are the things I've not tried, those kind of things. Do you use your summer for anything different? Do you plan for your writing life, or you just jump into a story? Let me know.